Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Explorer steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. This crucial step ensures your safety throughout the process. Next, center your front wheels and lock the steering wheel in place. Gather your tools, including a suitable Torx bit set and a steering wheel puller. Now let's address the airbag module. Locate the small access holes on the sides or bottom of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool, gently push into these holes to release the retaining clips. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Store the airbag safely, face up, away from heat. With the airbag safely removed, you'll see the main steering wheel components. Disconnect any remaining electrical connectors for cruise control or horn. Next, use a large socket wrench to remove the central retaining nut. This nut holds the steering wheel firmly in place. Once the nut is off, attach your steering wheel puller according to its instructions. Gradually tighten the puller to gently separate the steering wheel from the steering column shaft. Once the steering wheel is loose, carefully slide it off the steering column shaft. Before completely removing it, consider marking the steering wheel and the shaft with a marker. This helps ensure correct alignment when you reinstall it. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Make sure all electrical connectors are securely reattached and the center nut is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Double-check all connections before reconnecting the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.